In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add songs to playlist on Spotify. By the end, you'll be confidently moving tracks into the exact playlist you want, whether you're using the desktop app or Spotify in your web browser. Start by opening Spotify on your computer or in your browser and signing in. Once you're in, take a moment to glance at the left sidebar. That's where your playlists live, and it's also where you'll be able to drop songs directly. If you have lots of playlists, you can scroll through the list to find the one you're aiming for, so you're ready when it's time to add the track. Next, find the song you want to add. You can browse your library if you've already saved it, use the search bar at the top to look it up by title or artist, or even locate it from within another playlist you're viewing. If you're in search results, make sure you're on the songs view so you can see individual tracks rather than albums or artists. When you've found the exact song you want, hover your mouse over it. To add it using the options menu, right-click the song if you're on a computer with a mouse. If you're using the web version or prefer on-screen controls, click the three dots next to the track title. This opens the options menu for that specific song. From there, choose Add to Playlist. A list of your playlists will pop up, showing the ones you've created or followed. Click the playlist you want, and Spotify will place the song there instantly. If the playlist is collapsed in the sidebar, you can expand it afterward to confirm that the track has been added. There's also a quick, visual way to do the same thing. Simply click and hold the song, then drag it to the left sidebar and drop it directly onto the playlist you want. You'll see the playlist highlight as you hover over it, which is your cue to release the mouse. This drag and drop method works nicely from your library, search results, or even when you're browsing inside another playlist. That's all there is to it. Open Spotify and sign in, find the song, use the right-click or three-dot menu to choose Add to Playlist and select your destination, or just drag and drop the track into the playlist in the sidebar. With these simple approaches, organizing your music becomes quick, accurate, and easy every time you build or refine a playlist.